Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, have not been turned into an adorable puppy. This is a stock video. This is not me presently. And I'm going to give you a pep talk in a 60-second video. Once we get to this particular point at NaNoWriMo, you start to feel a little drained. We've been sprinting, we've been working hard, we've been putting all of our energy into our stories. So right now, in this moment, before you get back to writing, I want you to take a deep breath and enjoy some puppy videos. Be sure to subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Best of luck on NaNoWriMo, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone!